Okay, let's look at this number line. So this number line has multiple steps, which model represents 10 plus 6 minus 4, 10 plus 6 minus 4. So this number line is going to have several different steps, okay? So let's take a look at this first number line. This first number line has both of these arrows right above each other, and that is not representing two different steps. That is not representing 10 plus 6, like going to 10 and then adding 6. That is just that's representing them on top of each other, and that is not how a number line works. You're not going to, this is not correct. This is not a correct representation of 10 plus 6. Because 10 plus 6 is 16. This just has 6 and 10. And so you're landing on 10. But 10 plus 6 is 16. So this is not correct right here. Okay? Let's look at letter B. Letter B, this arrow goes to 10. So there's your starting 10. Okay, and then I have another arrow that goes plus 4, plus 4. This goes from 10 to 14, plus 4. But I don't want plus 4. I want plus 6. So this is wrong. Let's cross these out. Okay, let's look at this next one, letter C. This next one goes from 0 to 10. That's correct. So that would be your 10. That's what's right here. Plus 6. So, and this is counting by 2s. So 2, 4, 6. Sorry. 2, 4, 6. From 10 to 12 is 2. 12 to 14 is 2. And then 14 to 16 is 2 more. So 2, 4, 6. That is adding 6. All right. And then let me erase this so we can see that. This is adding 6. And then minus 4. So I'm starting at 16 and I need to go back 4. I need to subtract 4. So 2, 4. It's counting by 2s. So this does represent 10 plus 6 minus 4. But I am not going to stop here. I'm going to look at my last answer choice because I can make mistakes. So let's look at this last one. Again, I need to have a clear 10 plus 6. So I go 10, that one works, but then it goes backwards. This number line does not add plus 6. So it goes backwards, it starts subtracting already, and that makes this wrong. So your correct answer is C. You're going to practice something like this with another number line on the next slide.